Used by more K-12 schools in the US than any other panic alert solution, Raptor introduces another layer of emergency alerting with Raptor Badge Alert. Engineered as an all-in-one alerting solution, the Raptor system harmonizes wearable technology with a mobile application for superior performance and coordination. By simply pressing a button, staff can send pre-configured alerts securely over a long-range LoRa network. Dedicated gateways provide reliable connectivity throughout the campus. Strategically placed beacons triangulate the badge's location, providing floor-level accuracy displayed on interactive campus maps. This immediate situational awareness empowers responders to coordinate efforts efficiently. When an alert is initiated, the system activates synchronized campus-wide notifications, which can include strobe lights, sirens, digital signage, PA messages, and more. This enables staff and responders to take swift action and communicate effectively across the school. In harmony with Raptor Emergency Management, staff can access secure in-app communication, account for students, staff, and visitors, and safely reunify families. Raptor Badge Alert is the only multi-point alerting system designed exclusively for K-12 and licensed by the I Love You Guys Foundation, featuring both the standard response protocol and the standard reunification method workflows. Raptor Badge Alert, because protecting every child, every school, every day is our only mission.